Welcome to the Inquisitive Kids, and in this video we're going to be doing a quick geometry angle problem. Let's read the question. As shown in the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at point O, with OE bisecting angle AOD. Angle BOC is equal to angle BOD minus 30 degrees. And we need to find angle COE. Let's just get some equations down. So we know that COB, or in here BOC, plus BOD is equal to 180 degrees. Then we can do that angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. I'll just write 180 for that. We also know that angle BOC, we can replace it with angle BOD minus 30. So, with that, I'll just have to do angle BOD, and in the front we can add a minus 30. Now we can solve. So we add a 30 on both sides. So 2 BODs is equal to 180 plus 30, which is 210. And on both sides we divide a 2. So angle BOD is equal to 105 degrees. We know that. Now we can quickly mark that. This angle right here, it is 105 degrees. And I'll erase this. Well, now, if we know how much is BOD, can we find how much is COB? Yes, we can, because all we have to do is 180 minus 105, which we really quickly get as 75 degrees. So we can mark here this angle as 75 degrees. Then we're going to use the knowledge of vertical angles to help us with the rest. If we know that BOD is 105 degrees and angle AOC is congruent to BOD, then this side will also be 105 degrees. Then all we have to do is find a OD, this angle right here. We do 360 divided, actually not divided, sorry, minus 200, so 360, right? Then we would do minus 285. And actually, you know what? We don't even need to do this, because we know that COB and AOD are congruent angles. So we could just quickly mark this as 75 degrees. There. Now we want to find angle COE. We want to find angle COE, but before that, let's just put all of this down and write them as equations. So angle COB is equal to 75 degrees. Angle BOD is equal to 105 degrees. Angle COA is equal to 105 degrees. And angles AOE is equal to angle EOD. Remember, because OE is bisecting, OE is bisecting this whole angle right here. Anyway, so this whole angle right here, OE is bisecting it. That means its two small angles made up is equal to each other. So exactly 1/2 of the larger angle. So that is equal to 1/2 of 75 degrees. So 75 divided by 2, that is 37.5 degrees. Now we want to find COE. Well, what is COE? Angle COE is equal to, angle COE is this angle right here, is equal to angle AOC plus another angle AOE, angle AOE. And we know the values of these two. The AOC is the same thing as COA. So 105 degrees plus what's AOE? AOE is 37.5 degrees. And then we add them together, which is equal to 142.5 degrees, and that's our final answer.